Thank you for calling 988. My name is Kelsey. Can I get your name and number in case we get disconnected?
Lines for Life training supervisor Kelsey McMurray works with another employee on how to respond to workers who call on the new construction care line.
It's a lot to have to take in and adjust to.
It's a crisis line designed to help both construction workers and their families. Just one of a handful of new strategies to integrate mental wellness into the workplace culture.
This gives me goosebumps. We will win the challenge of mental health when we reduce the stigma, when we make reaching out for help okay.
Dwight Holden from Lines for Life says creating this for construction workers who are prone to keep their feelings to themselves is a big step forward. John Criswell said he started helping his dad in carpentry as a child.
Get up, go to work. You cut your finger, go put a Band-Aid on it, do the same thing. And mental health was never a thing. The stressors of life were never a thing.
He says now instead of feeling bad for other workers going through stress, he actually responds.
What are you doing to make sure that you are helping those people get out of those shoes and into a better set of shoes? At the end of the day, you just want to listen, and when the appropriate time is, you can say, hey, I have had that same experience.
Construction companies are now recognizing they need to take additional steps to alleviate stress among their workforce. They're creating areas on job sites to offer mental wellness services and putting up signage to encourage open conversations.
Something happened that they have to take their kids somewhere, and that can cause a huge stressor in their life. And if we can kind of alleviate some of those things and work and do some different flexibility with people, we've really seen that that's helped.
Rob Dahl, the safety director for Lease Crutcher Lewis, says he's been caught off guard in the past.
Several significant events where I've lost friends or coworkers or family members because they chose not to talk. It's okay not to be okay. We have to get our folks to recognize that and be willing to say, hey boss, I'm not having a good day.
Because he says even tough people need some help sometimes. The construction care line that's now in operation is 833-444-6020 or OregonConstructionCareline.org. Again, that's for construction workers and their families. Christine, David.
It's okay not to be okay. And you know what? The more we talk about it, the better. Thanks, Libby. A reminder that if you or someone you know is having a mental health crisis of any kind, help is available 24/7. Just dial or text the Suicide and Crisis Lifeline at 988. Again, that number is 988.